Welcome to AET LED displays, where technology meets brilliance. Bright, eye-catching displays have transformed how we see the world around us. In industries like retail, corporates, and advertising, these displays bring vibrant energy to our everyday lives. But the magic doesn't stop there. Let's dive into AET Flip Chip COB technology, the game changer widely used in command centers. Corporates and education industry, turning virtual concepts into reality. So what is COB? COB, or chip on board, is a manufacturing method where integrated circuits are directly bonded to a printed circuit board. The circuits are sealed with epoxy glue, streamlining the process compared to traditional SMD technology. But AET Flip Chip COB takes it a step further, eliminating the wire bonding step altogether. This results in a larger luminous area, better energy savings, reduced temperature. AET Flip Chip COB is revolutionary. By removing bonding wires, it achieves closer chip-level spacing, reaching the level of micro-LEDs. Let's explore its standout features. Ultra-high reliability. AET Flip Chip COB simplifies the production process, ensuring stable operation. Its panels are potted as a whole, providing moisture resistance, anti-collision properties, IP65 protection, and anti-static breakdown prevention. This makes the display more reliable and durable. Energy efficiency for sustainability. AET Flip Chip COB displays feature efficient heat dissipation, reducing power consumption by up to 45%, screen body temperature by 5 to 10 degrees. This makes them ideal for close-up displays and contributes to environmental sustainability. Seamless viewing experience. With no bonding wires, multiple LEDs are directly mounted to the base, allowing for higher resolution, seamless splicing, and true-to-life visuals. AET Flip Chip COB delivers high refresh rates, wide viewing angles, and excellent contrast ratios for an immersive experience. AET Flip Chip COB are produced by fully automatic mass transfer equipment at our state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities. COB technology is booming in the LED market due to its outstanding specifications and technical potential. At AET, we offer a wide range of COB products tailored to various applications. Visit our official website to learn more about how Flip Chip COB can brighten every moment. Thank you for watching. See you next time as we continue to explore the future of LED technology with AET.